بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, now there is a question on the GRE tunnel configurations normally. Now here the question says we have a branch 2 and this branch 2 to router 2 we have some GRE tunnel configured. And the question says this network, the LAN here, is unable to access the servers here. What might be the problem? The problem can be anywhere. So basically he has given the 4 options. We need to just figure out of those 4 options which one is correct, what are the wrong options. So basically we have to see the tunnel destination configurations. So if the tunnel destination configurations are missing, so generally the GRE tunnels can be configured this way. Like if you just go and we create one tunnel 0, and then we give some IP address. Let's say the IP address I'm giving 10.0.12.x. So 10.0.12.1 one side, other side I'll give to 12.2, and we need to set tunnel source where the tunnel starts. So we need to give the IP address of this interface, or you can give the interface name, and then we need to set tunnel destination where the tunnel ends. So let's assume this IP address here is 172.16.10.1. let's say, just assume this is the 10.1 is the IP address here. So this is the configuration minimum you need to create for creating a GRE tunnels. So basically GRE tunnels is used to tunnel the traffic. Basically you just want to have a communication between these two sites as if there is a separate WAN connection. We can do this way. So if this configuration is wrong, then the tunnel will not be up. So if you go and verify the configurations here, so if I just go and say show IP interface brief, so you do have access to these routers. So if you see the tunnel configurations, you should see up and up. Up and up confirms that the tunnel configuration is correct, which means the tunnel source and destinations are correctly configured. So which means these two are not the option. So if these two configurations are not properly, if the tunnel destination command is not properly configured, then the tunnel will not show up. Okay, so if you see the tunnel is down, then basically there will be a problem with either on the router 2 or the branch 2. Again, you have to check where you have misconfigured configurations by verifying show run command. And the other 2 options, it says there is a static route misconfigured, because now if I want to route the traffic, all the traffic to reach this network, let's say this is 10.10.10.0/24, I can go to this router and I can say IP route 10.10.10.0 network, the /24 255.255.255.0, and I can either give the next hop IP address of this tunnel, or I can also give the tunnel 0 interface. Means all the traffic destined to this network should go from this tunnel, which means it will use this tunnel to route the traffic. And if you observe the IP address here, the tunnel IP address is 192.168.24.1 and 24.2. But as per the configurations here, you see 24.10 is written, which means again you have to verify this configuration. So you can only verify the configurations, the correct options based on this. So probably in the exams when you face this kind of questions, so sometimes you may have a tunnel this misconfiguration, sometimes you may have a static route misconfiguration. So you cannot just simply go and select the option. You need to go and check the exact configurations again by using show run options. That will help you.